Samsung's upcoming flagship will be revealed next month. It's been rumored for a while, but now it's official. The Samsung Galaxy S9 range will be revealed at Samsung's Unpacked event during the Mobile World Congress in Barcelona on February 25, 2018 at 12 p.m. EST. For the eager fans among you, Samsung will be live streaming the unveiling of all of its Galaxy S9 related announcements from its Samsung US newsroom website. Based on the imagery and information released in conjunction with the announcement, it's clear that Samsung is touting big changes when it comes to the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus photographic capability, which is something we'd previously reported. Samsung Electronics will showcase the next generation of Galaxy devices that reimagines the camera and redefines the way you share your moments, said the electronics giant in its accompanying statement. Could we finally be getting HDR video capture? We sure hope so. That's all that Samsung has revealed for now, so we'll have to wait another month to find out if the Galaxy S9 range will indeed last longer, despite unchanged batteries, sport an in-screen fingerprint scanner or keep its headphone jack.